Hello everyone, welcome to ARX. I will just break down this trade, the trade it took today. Myself and some premium members as well inside Discord. Before, just let you know guys, if you're not subscribed yet for the giveaway, make sure you subscribe. Our giveaway to 10k FXE5 account plus Arts Method full course as well. So for you to be able to participate on this giveaway, just make sure you go to the website. You're gonna see the link just there, and tap on the giveaways, subscribe on the giveaway. If you want to join our Discord, feel free to do so. And let's break this down. This was our entries, already can see it. So now let's move it on and see why he take this trade. So first of all, we come to the weekly time frame. He identified that on the weekly time frame, the most recently breakout structure was to the downside, so the market remains bearish from the perspective of the weekly time frame. When on the daily, you see you have the major breakout structure as a bearish as well. So then you go to the 4-hour, you're looking for the same thing. So he trying, what he do is he trying to align the market in the same direction. So, and you can see there another breakout structure from the 4-hour time frame. So weekly, daily, and 4-hour now is bearish. That's what you're looking for. So, and what the reason is so this pullback here, you can see the market swap some liquidity and break structure as well. So, and create a new lower. That's perfect. This move here, that most of the time happens or invite people to start buying, and it was just the internal range liquidity from this high to this low, right? So this was the internal range liquidity. I was expected to see this internal range liquidity being swept and react from a K level, a breaker block, whatever you want to call. So in the market just taps into this K level, beautiful, and taps once, twice, 3 times in a row, and just all the candles close below that K level. And what I'm doing was, okay, I go to the 1-hour and see if you can align the break of market structure in the same direction. And you can see during Asia session, this box here, you can see the market swap liquidity inside Asia and just break structure to the downside. So he have weekly, daily, 4-hour, and now 1-hour structure breaks to the downside. And I was on 4-hour time frame, one time frame higher, looking for a point of interest to get in. And I see that rejection block. You can see the market just swept that liquidity, left on the 1-hour, left some liquidity just below that K level, that rejection block, and that was my entry. And that's what it is. So that's where you take a trade. And you take a trade there. There you go. You take a trade just there on the rejection block. That's once the market taps and just move away. Stop loss as break even. The stop loss was just a little bit higher. I don't trade more than 10 pips on stop loss, so I put just like that. And I use the break even protocol. That's something the ARX been doing. So now the market are on this order block. What you expect to happen in this order block as the market create these swing lows here. So you expect to see the market just swap them well. So now is another invite. Maybe some people won't start to buying from this order block, and you will call this as a trap, and you expect the market just swap them and swap these lows as well. So that will gonna be your last target. And yeah guys, this is what you're doing. So again, make sure you subscribe for the giveaway. It's gonna be on the 27th this month, next Friday, and it's gonna be on YouTube. Just make sure you follow us, follow FXify, and let's get to the giveaway. See you later, guys.